Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco number SD112/316 handle assembly. This is the Type 316 stainless steel handle assembly. The handle assemblies for Bilco roof hatches can be made of Zamac, a dense metallic material, or they can be made out of stainless steel. However, most commonly would be the Zamac item, but occasionally you'll do a stainless steel version of a latch handle assembly for a roof hatch. If it's a specialty situation, if it's like maybe a water treatment plant, that hardware is always going to be specified as stainless steel. And this is what it looks like. Weighs about 0.48 pound. Let me give you the dimensional properties, and it's identical to the standard version. In the latch handle assembly, a common part number for that is RPR S7. The handles can be bought as a kit as the RPR S8. You can do standard length spindles on that, and then a longer one if you've got an especially thick insulated lid. So here are some dimensions so that you can determine if this is the proper item for you. About 4 1/4 overall length. Okay, it's going to have an inside clearance about 1 1/4 inch, 1 5/16, to an overall projection of about 1 13/16, I'd say. Height of the base, just heavy on 1 inch. Height of the base, let's go depth of the base overall is about 13/16. That pin, of course, is not seated because you're going to need to install this first onto your key stock. Speaking of that, I'm going to give you the inside dimension of where the key stock or spindle will fit into. 0.319 by 0.323. So this is made for 5/16 of an inch key stock, certainly. And once you get it installed, you'll just drive that pin down through the hole and your installation will be complete. There is a link below this video to a document called Technical Drawing that will allow you to review all of the individual component parts from the latch assembly. From the handle assembly. What you're not getting in that, of course, if you were looking for an entire latch, lock body and handle assembly, you're not getting the lock body, you're not getting the strike, you're not getting any ability to screw that material down. But this technical drawing is where you're going to find part number 1. And part number 1 is the SD112. This technical drawing does not show us the stainless steel variant of this. Tempted to consider the possibility that this is the incorrect technical drawing, and I will contact the manufacturer and find out, and perhaps by the time you're seeing this video that will have been resolved. Oh, wait a minute, there's a page 2. Forgive me, page 2. Let's move to page 2. That's where the stainless version of this material is called out. SD112/316. What's handy about this chart is it will show you the part numbers for the other items that you need, but also the quantity that you need based on the handle assembly that you're working with, and it's referred to in the lower left-hand area in that table there. Very common to sell a handle only in the sense that they can get vandalized or lost, or perhaps unintentionally damaged, but it's more common to just sell the entire latch assembly. I had mentioned earlier the length of the spindle, and as you can see, there are variants of that available as well. Note number, see part 7, note number 1. And that's important to understand because there are variations on how thick the lid is and therefore how long the shaft assembly needs to be. This would be an interior or exterior handle. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bilco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Bilco, this is their part number SD112/316 handle assembly, or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.